Marketing is what you do to grow a business. So isn't every form of marketing growth marketing? The terms may seem redundant to you, but there are a lot of differences between just marketing and growth marketing. In today's video, I am going to explain the basic differences between marketing and growth marketing, and I'll also make you understand growth marketing and every steps of it with a simple example. Hi guys, this is Saurabh, and if you are new to this channel, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel to never miss a video about growth marketing, content marketing and all the strategies you need to grow your business online. The main difference between growth marketing and marketing is a traditional marketer or a traditional marketing team would focus on driving traffic to a website by building video campaigns, display campaigns and more focus on awareness and acquisition. While a growth marketer or a growth marketing team would focus on the full customer journey, spanning through awareness, acquisition, activation, revenue, retention and referral. Let's understand how each of these steps work with a simple example. Imagine you are selling a beauty product targeted for women between 20 to 35. Now, growth marketing in each of these steps will look like this. In the awareness stage, you would focus on partnering with fashion influencers who have a follower base of women ranging between 18 to 35. In the acquisition stage, the influencers offer free trials to their followers. In the activation stage, you can simplify your customers' buying process by providing easy explainer videos and what to use for what skin type. In the revenue stage, you offer your customers a 10% discount coupon, their first purchase. So now you finally got your first customer. But all of this hard work for just one purchase would not be right? So here comes the retention step. In the retention step, you offer your customers a 15% discount coupon on repeat purchases. And in the refill stage, you ask your most engaged customers to be your brand ambassadors and make content and how your product changed the way they used to use beauty care products. Growth marketing is not just marketing. It's a data-driven process to improve on every aspect of the customer journey, which helps you maximize growth and revenue at the same time. Growth marketing depends on 4 functional pillars, which are research and analysis, strategy, experimentation, and standardization. You can read about how these 4 pillars work, collaborate, and work in favor of each other. Link in the description. I hope this video was helpful to make you understand the basic difference between just marketing and growth marketing. For more such informative videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for now.